There were two nightmares. I mean, one was we wouldn't have enough ventilators. I'm the physician-in-chief here, and my patients would die. That was the first problem. And urgency number two is that we wouldn't have enough of this stuff because we were in short supply and we were running through it really quickly. And so I would be sending my people in to situations where they were going to get infected.
The number of reported cases, as everybody knows, has seen a significant uptick in the United States and in Massachusetts, and state health officials are closely monitoring and tracing presumptive positive cases.
So as this cascading crisis happened, our phone just started ringing off the hook. Put out an email to about 35 people. 50 people showed up on the Zoom call, and we said we need a manufacturing response to this crisis.
The notion of the federal stockpile was it's supposed to be our stockpile.
The states have been put in a position, especially with PPE, where they have to compete. I think we're quite fortunate here in Massachusetts. We have world-class health systems. We have world-class academic centers and companies with a lot of technical expertise. And we have a lot of manufacturing capability that exists. We were able to activate all of that in parallel very quickly.
The willingness and the breadth of technical capability is unique and was a big part of us being able to successfully up and pivot so many companies to help out.
We're known for biotech, we're known for software, we're known for finance, we're known for a lot of things. We make stuff here in Massachusetts. And I think we're learning more and more what we're capable of doing. And certainly the M-ERT process has caused us to learn a lot about that.
What we did as a community, healthcare community, when we finally came together, was remarkable. The first level of the crisis, reacting to the punch. What is what long-term societal changes this creates.
The economy here has dependent on continuing innovation. It's always been the case. I think that there will be an opportunity for us to restore American manufacturing under the rubric of essential supply chains for emergencies and problems, and that we can restore the balance.